Hello, beautiful people! I'm here in my kitchen. This is my vlog now every single day. I'm always in a kitchen. Morning, day, and night. Going to work, same thing in the kitchen. So guys, good morning everyone. Good morning. And I always do the morning live, and then because I have more time in the morning after that I get up. So guys, because after tomorrow it's July 4th, so we're getting ready for that. So today I want to share you what I'm gonna make today. I'm just preparing, so because I don't have enough time, and then today my work is really shopping day less. So because on July 4th in Rectory House we have those 50% to come and just watch the firework. So but I have to do the dishes and preparing, pick up today all the stuff and preparing tomorrow, and then they are ready to go on Friday, because Friday they're gonna have 5:30 really seated, and then and that's it until after the fireworks start until in the morning, what time they're gonna finish. So anyway, that's all my job this weekend. It's really very very Pacific, individual. I'm so insulted anyway, but well, actually it's a blessing too. So anyway guys, I want to show you something, how I'm gonna make the lasagna sauce. Okay, so I have here my blender. It's already it's ready. And then what I use for lasagna, I'm gonna make with the red sauce. Sometime I will do also the white sauce with spinach and ricotta, but this time I'm gonna do the pork, ground pork. Okay, but now I don't have pork right now in the fridge, but now I'm get ready to all my ingredients now to make a sauce, and then my vegetables. So I want to see something. This is the celery already, guys. See, this is clean. So you see that it's nice, right? Nandiyan na naman yung bird ko. My bird is in watching me and blocking me. Hey, I cannot see. Okay, get up. Sprite. Come on. Yan na siya, guys. Nandiyan yung siya, guys. Titingnan lang niya ako dyan. No Sprite. So, Sprite. No. Okay. So, I have 3 sticks. Okay. What I should do, I just cut on them together. Sprite. Come on, baby. Come on. No. And then I have already clean. Look at my red onion, or whatever what you have. You have also white, yellow. They have, I think, 3 kind color, right? So what I do, guys, I just put in all together. I blended to everything. Okay. Yeah. Sprite. So of course I have my garlic. You see? Ayan. Lagyan natin more garlic, so it's better. So I use only a little bit like vegetable for that sauce, because I have already sauce ready. Marinade sauce, guys. This is only here. You see that? It's so good. Only you can go only Trader Joe's. Here you go, guys. I have 3 bottles. Look, because I'm going to make a lot of lasagna, and then of course I use this lasagna, guys, la Barilla. Look, you don't need to boil this one. You just lay down to the platter. Yeah, I use the aluminum, guy, and of course I have my ricotta sauce. I just mix for tomato sauce later, okay? And then etc, Italian seasoning. So anyway, that is how I do my sauce. So we're going to blend it, everything, and then fry. Okay. Ayan. Sprite, come on. Ayan na siya, guys. So, tayo na doon sa kaldero. Kaldero ko. Ayan. Kaldero ko. Ayan. I made my purple pancake today. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Of course, here I have a big pot. See, can you imagine? So we're gonna heat the olive oil. Ayan na yung bird ko. Nandiyan na naman. Basta mainit yan siya. Mainit, pupunta pa rin yan siya. Okay. I use olive oil. Right. Ayan na siya, gaya. Kita nyo na. Diba? Ayan. Pagtapos nito, mag-grill ako ng ano ko. Ang tawag dito. Yung ground pork ko. Wala pa akong ground pork. Ikakat ko pa lang. Tapos iglagay. Ayan, guys. Lagay ko na yan lahat. Kamayin na natin. Malinis naman yung kamay ko. Ayan, kumpleto na ito, guys. Right? May garlic na dyan, sibuyas, carrot, and celery. So, kita nyo? Ayan, pakulain ko na lang yan. So, ngayon, tignan mo yung bird ko dyan. Tignan mo, ayan. Tignan mo. Kahit mainit yan talaga dito, talagang pupunta pa yan. Hello? Okay. See my vlog. Sprite, see my vlog, mommy. You see? Ayan, guys. So, is everything in here ready? So, I'm gonna cut the you know, the ground pork. Ayan siya, guys. Ito na siya. Tingnan. Ayan siya, guys. Kasi wala siyang taba. Ngayon, hihiwain ko yan siya talaga. Tapos, ano ko siya, i-ground ko siya. Tingnan mo yung birdie ko kung nasaan. Ayan. What are you doing? So, all the time I'm here in the kitchen. That silly bird. Titikman talaga niya lahat. So, say hi. Say hi. Sprite. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, guys. I'll show you how I make my lasagna sauce after this and how I make to lay down the lasagna. So this is all my vegetables. So I'm gonna drop here the ground pork and red sauce together. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya next time. Bye.